bushes, orange, yellow, or red. That's our first blooming, ripening berries on this island. We have 43 different types of berries. 27 are edible. That is called salmonberry because they look like a cluster of salmon roe. They are very sweet.
It's
It's
the
usually a
wild
race between
celery.
the animals and humans on who gets to harvest them. The second blooming berry will be what looks like miniature raspberries. Those are thimbleberries. They are coming into their red now. Also sweet. We have wild blueberries, huckleberries, strawberries, raspberries, gray currant, high bush, low bush, so on and so forth. The types of trees that you will see here mostly on this island is spruce,
Yeah.